Okay, thank you. Okay, now, acha, all of you have done question number 7 of exercise 4B. Done or not? Tell me. Yes, students. Done. You have done exercise 4B. Question number 7. Subtract the following. You have done or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now. Huh? Okay. Okay, now. Acha, we are going to start now exercise 4C, right? On page number, open page number 101. Let's start exercise 4C. Now you can see the board properly. Can you watch board properly?
Yes.
Okay, now very good. Page number, I am writing page number here. Page number is 101. Okay. Now let's start. 4C, 4. Beta 4C. I have written on board 4C. Right. Now question number, we will start from question number 2. 2 से start करेंगे. Start from question number 2 or part B. It's part B now. I am writing part B. Right. Okay. Part B is, wait, 1/2. See the board.
पार्ट ए क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं?
बेटा अभी हम वो क्वेश्चन 1 भी नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि ये लेंथी क्वेश्चन है एंड बोर्ड स्पेस इज शॉर्ट, तो इट टेक्स स्पेस. तो आफ्टर रीओपनिंग द स्कूल वी विल solve that question which are left in during online classes. तो जो short जिनकी simplification है वो हम solve कर रहे हैं. Question number 2 part B now. 1/2 start square bracket 2x in square bracket 2x plus yes 2 round bracket start x minus 3.
टीचर आवाज कट रही है. टीचर आवाज कट रही है.
आवाज कट रही है. वेट.
स्क्रीन भी नहीं आ रही है. टीचर स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही आपकी. स्क्रीन नहीं, आवाज भी नहीं आ रही.
अच्छा वेट.
ना आवाज ना स्क्रीन.
ना आवाज ना स्क्रीन.
टीचर सिर्फ आवाज आ रही है जी, वो भी कट कट के. मेरी अभी भी नहीं आ रही. मेरी सब तो बिल्कुल ही ब्लैक हो गई.
wait is just a second, wait. Yes,
दिख नहीं रहा तो पूरी ब्लैक ही हो गई है.
मैडम को ऐड करो.
टीचर हल्की सी भी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
वेट बेटा,
आप कौन सा सवाल करा रही हैं?
क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज 4C क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पार्ट बी.
सबकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. आप कौन सा सवाल करा रही हैं?
Yes. Now can you hear me properly?
आप कौन सा सवाल करा रही हैं?
Yes.
सवाल करा रही हैं?
बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 exercise 4C question number 2 part B. You can see from book also. See this question. That exercise is over. Beta, that exercise is completed. 4B is complete now. Completed now. We are starting exercise 4C and it's question number 2 part B now. 4B is completed.
हमीदा प्लीज हेल्प मी।
ओके, एक मिनट।
जैसे आपने तो तीन ही क्वेश्चन
हमीदा कहाँ है? यस। अच्छा, listen class, grade 6, close your cameras and mic also, because we have fixed everything from our side. You check from your side, okay? We have no problem from our side. अपने माइक ऑफ करें, माइक ऑफ करें।
टीचर मैं कह रहा हूँ यहाँ पे धूप वाली जगह पे नहीं लिखिएगा।
व्हाट? अच्छा नहीं, ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन। ओके, गिव हेडिंग ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। Right now, see the question. We have how many brackets we have? We have two brackets, round bracket and square bracket, as you have done in exercise 2D 2C, right? So we have round bracket. Before round bracket we have number, that is 2. First we have to open the round bracket according to board mass rule. ठीक है, board mass rule में क्या था आपका? यहाँ पर बोर्ड मास रूल में क्या है? फर्स्ट वी ओपन द ब्रैकेट, फर्स्ट we will open the bracket, and in bracket also we have different types of bracket. Sequence of bracket, first we have to open the round bracket. round bracket पे आएंगे हम, ठीक है? तो other things will copy down as it is. 1/2 square bracket start 2x plus, now before opening the round bracket we have to, this 2 will multiply by x, it will be 2x plus minus minus according to the sign rule. Write down the sign rule at right side of your page. Plus minus minus, and 2 multiply by 3, 2 3s are 6. Now we have removed the round bracket, we have only one bracket, that is square bracket. You have done? Understood? All of you give response now. Okay. What? No,
स्क्रीन चली गई।
बेटा ये fix from your side. I have no problem.
मेरी स्क्रीन चली गई।
क्या स्क्रीन?
सही है।
बेटा it is problem from your side. माइक ऑफ करें, कैमरा भी सही ऑफ करें। हाँ,
वीडियो खोलते हैं वीडियो चले जाती है, आपकी वीडियो आई हुई रहती है। क्लोज कीजिए अपनी वीडियोस।
नाउ शमरेज यू टेल नाउ। ये हाँ, ओके। नाउ सिंप्लीफाई द लाइक टर्म्स टुगेदर। 1/2 square bracket, 2x and 2x. After simplifying it will be what? Give. Okay, 2x and 2x, make a rough column. 2x plus 2x, simplify it.
पूरा ब्लैक हो रहा है।
It is clear? Yes.
बेटा बिल्कुल क्लियर वीडियो आ रही है। दूसरे मोबाइल से मैं वीडियो चेक कर रही हूँ, अपनी तरफ से अपनी साइड पे चेक कीजिए।
Okay, now Labhika, give response. Simplify the like terms together. Labhika, simplify the like terms together. 2x plus 2x. Don't discuss with each other. Simplify it together. As you have done in exercise 4 A and B. Because same, you have to simplify. 2x plus 2x, what should be? 4x plus 2 plus 2 plus plus plus, we will get 4. Yes.
मिस आ गई।
Okay, now
मिस आप आ गई।
Okay.
Hang
Very
on,
good. Very good. Now you can see the board properly. You can. You are watching the board properly.
Yes.
Okay. Now simplify it.
Yes.
Yes, they are giving response. Okay. Now 4x minus 6 cannot be simplified together because they are unlike terms. इसको मैं लार्ज कर लूँ मैक्सिमम.
वो हमीदा कह रही है, हमीदा आ रही है
अच्छा.
वेटिंग रूम देखने. मोहम्मद कौन है?
अहमद, मोहम्मद अहमद, छोटे वाले हैं ना अहमद, सैयद अहमद, अहमद है ना वो तो जा चुके हैं. एक और भी से अहमद अली हैं,
अली अहमद.
अली अहमद. आई थिंक ये वो ही है, अली अहमद.
पूछो इनसे कौन है.
एक मिनट आने दे इसको.
नीचे क्या आ रही है? हाँ नीचे का आ रहा हूँ.
यस. Okay now.
मोहम्मद लग रहा है समझा.
Okay now. You can see now properly. Okay, let's simplify it. Black.
Yes.
अपनी बड़ी कर लेना आप. अपनी स्क्रीन बड़ी कर लें आप. मैं अपनी स्क्रीन कर लें.
मिस ब्लैक स्क्रीन में.
Okay, wait बेटा. One upon two we have, so divide. It means it is multiplying from both the terms. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4x. हाँ ये शेड कुछ कवर हो गया मिस. हाँ
मिस अब आप आ.
यस. अच्छा.
Yes.
Okay, let's simplify it. जी.
Yes miss.
Okay, let's solve it. अच्छा, now see, they cannot simplify with each other because they are unlike terms, right? X cannot simplify with constant term. This is variable term. This is constant term. They cannot simplify, right? But when you open the square bracket, what? अच्छा, open the bracket now. Before bracket we have 1 upon 2. तो 1 upon 2 यहाँ तो सही आ रही है. फिर why they are saying? अच्छा.
टीचर यहाँ भी बिल्कुल सही आ रही है.
अब्दुल रहमान. Okay now. अच्छा. Now open, expand the bracket. When we are going to expand it, we have 1 upon 2 before the bracket. So 1 upon 2 is going to multiply with this and also with this. So 1 upon 2 multiply by 4x. It will multiplying. It is multiplying. So 1 upon 2 multiply by 4x minus 1 upon 2 multiply by 6. Now simplify it. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, like this. Rewrite it and cancel it. 1 upon 2 multiply by 6. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. So now it is 2x minus again 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6. 2x minus 3. This is your answer. Now complete it.
मिस
Yes, ask.
आपने 1/2 के बराबर में क्या लिखा है?
1 upon 2 मल्टीप्लाई का साइन.
मिस वो मल्टीप्लाई का निशान
ये
है.
मल्टीप्लाई है. यस, दिस इज द साइन ऑफ
Okay,
मल्टीप्लीकेशन.
miss.
मल्टीप्लाई एंड मल्टीप्लाई because 1 upon 2 is multiplying with 4x as well as with minus 6. So after simplifying, after cancelling, we are getting 2x minus 3 is your answer, right? what we have done, see again I am explaining.
Okay.
Throughout the bracket, before the square bracket we have 1 upon 2, right? In the whole question we have two brackets, one is round and second one is square bracket, right? First, according to the board mass rule, first we open the bracket open. तो और कौन सा bracket करेंगे? According to the sequence of bracket, round bracket will be open first. So round bracket is here. Copy down the same thing as it is. Before round bracket we have 2. So it means 2 is multiplying with x. That will be 2x plus minus minus. 2 3s are 6. Ryan, just keep quiet and see the board. Right? Now simplify the same variable together. 2x and 2x makes 4x. 4x minus 6. I have solved it in rough column. Right? Now they are unlike variable. This is variable term and this is constant term. They cannot simplify. Acha, before opening the square bracket we have 1 upon 2 outside. It means 1 upon 2 is multiplying with 4x when we open it, plus minus minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 6. Now do the cancellation. Cross cancellation is happening here. 2 2s are 4. Now it is 2x. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So here what remain? 3. So this is variable term, this is constant term. They cannot simplify. So this is your final answer. Thank you. Right? Understood now? Shall we move to the next one? Okay now. अब कुछ शेड तो नहीं आ रहा? बोर्ड पे शेड तो नहीं पड़ रहा? Okay now. Let's start.
भी सही आ रहा था.
जी तो why you were making a problem? Now part C now. Okay now part C. Copy down part C. It's part C. Okay. I am going to erase. Copy down it.
पार्ट ए नहीं करवाया.
Part A, leave part A. उसको छोड़ दे. वो जो रह गया है वो हम after reopening the school उसमें complete करेंगे. ठीक है. जो यहाँ हो सकते हैं online उसको हम complete कर रहे हैं. Part C now. C is I am going to erase now. और copy side by side you have to copy down with me. Now part C I am writing on board 2 upon 5. See 2 upon 5 square bracket start, square or large bracket 12p. Next is minus round bracket start 5 minus 5 plus 2p, 5 plus 2p, round bracket close and then square bracket. Right? Now you have to simplify it. और Rayan, Asha, Hamida is हाँ. Okay now let's start part C.
अपने छोटे वाले ब्रैकेट में क्या लिखा है?
5. Beta you can copy from book also. Book should be on your in front of you. Open page number 101. Right?
अपनी स्क्रीन बड़ी है.
Okay now. We have two brackets again here, round bracket and square bracket. First we which bracket will be open? Tell me. कौन सा bracket? Which bracket?
स्क्रीन बड़ी करते हैं.
What? Rayan? Rhyme? Tell me.